Somebody said they had a smaller bike version, a 125cc. You know these 125cc with those engine that goes in over there. They were saying that they heard a noise coming from the chain. Now, as you can see, this is a changed chain. Right? The bike didn't come with a gold chain. In fact, it comes with a weaker chain, like one of those bicycle chains. It must be standard for all Chinese bikes. So, what happened is that, you see here, this is installed backward. Now, in some point, this is good. But what you have here, you can see those marks right here, right? The only thing that's stopping this chain from coming off is this. That's right. Now, when they first give you the bike, this was new, so this was at least an eighth thicker than it is now. So with that being said, they weren't depending on putting the retainer clip. So they used this method right here. They put it in a reversed, meaning backward, and then this one goes on top of that. Let me show you what they did. This bolt right here stays on top of that. That way it won't go any more further. You can see this is still loose, so it won't go further. And that one, whenever it's coming out, it gets stopped by this one. So from time to time, in about 1,000 miles or so, this will come off. Right? I only noticed that when I was upgrading the chain. Honestly, I didn't know. And I was riding high mileage, doing 91 miles per hour on this bike, without no worry that something won't happen. But believe me, you should check that out and fix it.
After riding for a while, I'm getting this uneven rattling. It almost sounds like it's coming from the front of the bike. And I've looked. I can't seem to find what's going on. So what I'm thinking is taking it to a mechanic. I called a few of them. A lot of them don't like dealing with these Chinese motorcycles.
Okay. And all is said is done. It should look like this. You can see this is a brand new clip. And it's on the right side. It's not on the reverse side. So, okay. This is the one I removed from the bike. It's a 520 by 105. The factory decrease on the link so they can tighten it, because these chains stretch it very fast. So what I ended up doing, I bought a 106, which is still a little bit tight. I should have bought a 108, but it's okay. I made it quick. The thing is, once it's too tight, so what you're gonna have, this is the master link. You see, there is no oil ring. It's just metal. This goes here. Must have been why they use hard grease on it. Alright. And then this clip right here. And this is their connecting link. So you can look at the, see, there's no oil ring for this thing. Now, originally in China, this is good quality. I don't know how they use this crap, but this is good quality for them. Every Chinese bike ever, doesn't matter what manufacturer, big brand or not, even the LaFon had one like this.